How to edit a photo in CapCut on Android. This tutorial walks you through all the essential editing tools available right inside the app. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device and tap on Edit Photo from the home screen. After that, select the photo you want to edit from your gallery. From there, tap on Crop to trim and adjust your photo to the size or aspect ratio you want. Then tap Done when you're happy with it. Right here, go back and tap on Adjust to open all the manual editing tools. Next up, you'll see an Auto Adjust option at the top. Tap it if you want CapCut to automatically enhance your photo in one tap. Moving on, if you prefer to edit manually, start with Brightness. Drag the slider left to darken or right to brighten your photo. From here, tap on Contrast to control the difference between the light and dark areas. Higher contrast makes your photo punchier and more defined. Then, tap Saturation to adjust how vivid the colors look. Drag right for more color or left to pull it back toward gray. Following this, Brilliance works on the overall light in your photo. It brings out detail in both bright and dark areas without overdoing it. Moving on, Sharpness increases the crispness of edges and fine details, making your photo look cleaner and more defined. Then, Clarity adds depth and texture to the midtones. Great for making a photo look more detailed without affecting the highlights or shadows too much. From here, HSL lets you adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance of individual colors separately, so you can change just the reds or just the blues without affecting everything else. Next up, Curves gives you full control over the tonal range of your photo. You can brighten shadows, pull down highlights, or create a specific color grade by adjusting the curve lines. Finally, Highlight lets you specifically control the brightest parts of your photo. Drag it down to recover blown out areas or up to make bright areas glow even more. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.